Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to discuss about if you have a gaming PC that is using Windows 10, it is very possible that your OS is not fully optimized because you are not using the right settings that can significantly improve your gaming performance. This video can benefit any PC and also safe, quick and doesn't require any downloads. First thing first, let's make a restore point. Go to the search toolbar and type System Restore. You will see as a best match, create a restore point. Click on it. Then click on Create. Here type a description to help you identify the restore point. Let's say System Restore. Create. The restore point was successfully created. Close it. This restore point will help you to undo all these changes just in case you're not fully satisfied with it. Next step, close this window and go to the Start menu. Right click on it and click on Device Manager. Go down to System Device, expand it. Here locate High Precision Event Timer. Right click on it and click on Disable Device. Why do you need to do that? Because this option often leads to lower FPS. If you want to enable it again, you just need to go again to the same item, right click on it and click Enable Device. Next step, close this window, click on Windows icon on your laptop and the letter R. You will see this window has opened. Here type TMP and click on OK. Here are your temporary files that should be deleted. These files can slow down your PC. What you need to do to select them all, click on Ctrl A, then right click and click on Delete. Click on Skip. Now most of the items are deleted. If any item that still is undeleted, just leave it, that's fine. Now close this page and click again with the Windows icon on your desktop with the letter R and here type %TMP and then OK. Click on Ctrl A. When all are selected, right click and click on Delete. Once this step is done, go back to this window here and type prefetch, PREFETCH. Click on OK. Here click on Ctrl A, right click and click on Delete. Once all of this is done, close these windows and click on Start, then click on Settings. Here click on System, then click on Power and Sleep, then click on Additional Power Settings, then click on Choose what the power button does. Click on Change settings that are currently unavailable, and here if you have turned on Fast Startup, turn it off, because what happens if you select that, this means that your PC is not fully turned off. Many apps will be running in the background which can slow it down on the long term. So what you need to do, deselect that. When you shut down your PC, let it totally shut down. Now go back to power option, click here. Next click on create a power plan and here click on high performance. Now you need to know that this will use more energy. If you're okay with that, click on high performance. This will help a lot, especially when you play games. Now once you select high performance, click on next and then click on create. Now minimize this page and go to storage, and here if you have this off, select on. This will automatically free up spaces by getting rid of files you don't need. Click then on configure storage senses and put here every 14 days as a recommendation. You can put it every 14 days so you do not have a lot of temporary files undeleted. Then go back to settings. Now scroll down, you will see remote desktop, click on it. Most of the people do not use the remote desktop, so if you have it on here, select off. This will help your PC perform better and you can turn it on anytime you need it when you want to use the remote desktop. Once this is done, click on About. On your right hand side you will see Advanced System Settings, click on it and here in Performance click on Settings and here click on Adjust for best performance. you will see all of these are unselected. You can go through them. If you require any of these, select it and leave the rest. Click on apply and then click on OK. Close this window and now go back to settings. Click on settings and then click on devices. Click on mouse and then click on additional mouse options. Go to pointer options tab. Let the pointer speed be at 6 out of 11 and uncheck enhance pointer precision because this option enable mouse acceleration, which is bad for gaming. Click on apply and then click on OK. Now go back to settings and then click on apps, then click on startup, and now you can turn off any app that you don't really need when you start up your PC because that will slow it down. So go through these apps and turn them off if you don't really need them when you start your PC. Once you are done with that, go back to settings and then go to gaming, and here turn off this game bar because that can slow down your PC. You may read the description. If you need any of these like recording game clips, chatting with friends, you can keep it on, but if you really want to optimize your PC for better performance for gaming, turn it off and then click on game mode, and here if you have it off, turn it on because it will optimize your PC for gaming. Once you're done with that, go back to settings and go to privacy. You may read all of these, which are basically just to track your usage and provide relevant ads and relevant content to you. I would suggest to turn them all off because that will take off a lot of load on your PC and enhance it for better gaming performance. Once this is done, go to settings and then click on Windows Update, and here check if you are up to date. If there is any list of updates, go ahead and do them. You can click on check for updates and let your system be up to date, which will surely enhance your PC performance. With that, I have come to the end of this video. If this video have helped you, make sure to like it and press that subscribe button for many more videos like this in the future. Take care. Bye bye.